Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 tips for unlocking better sleep and having more restful nights. Sleep is so important for our health, happiness and productivity, but many of us struggle to get enough quality sleep every night. If you're one of them, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you some simple and effective ways to improve your sleep hygiene, habits and environment, so you can wake up feeling refreshed and energized every morning. So without further ado, let's get started. Tip 1. Stick to a regular sleep schedule. One of the best things you can do for your sleep is to have a consistent bedtime and wake-up time every day. This helps your body clock to regulate your sleep cycle and makes it easier for you to fall asleep and stay asleep. Try to avoid changing your sleep schedule too much on weekends or holidays, as this can disrupt your rhythm and make you feel jet-lagged. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night, depending on your individual needs. Tip 2. Avoid caffeine, alcohol and nicotine before bed. These substances can interfere with your sleep quality and quantity by stimulating your nervous system, disrupting your melatonin production and causing you to wake up more often during the night. Caffeine can stay in your system for up to 6 hours, so avoid drinking coffee, tea, energy drinks or other caffeinated beverages in the afternoon or evening. Alcohol can make you feel sleepy at first, but it can also reduce your deep sleep and REM sleep stages, which are essential for memory consolidation and emotional regulation. Nicotine is another stimulant that can keep you awake and make you restless. If you smoke, try to quit or at least avoid smoking close to bedtime. Tip 3. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. A relaxing bedtime routine can help you wind down and prepare your mind and body for sleep. You can include activities that calm you down and make you feel comfortable, such as reading a book, listening to soothing music, meditating, doing some gentle stretches or yoga poses, writing in a journal or practicing gratitude. Avoid activities that stimulate or stress you out, such as watching TV, checking your phone or email, working or studying, or having heated discussions. Make sure to do your bedtime routine in a dimly lit room and avoid exposure to bright light at least an hour before bed. Tip 4. Make your bedroom comfortable and conducive for sleep. Your bedroom should be a place where you feel safe, cozy and relaxed. Make sure to keep it clean, tidy and clutter-free. Adjust the temperature, humidity and ventilation to suit your preferences. You may want to use fans, heaters, humidifiers or dehumidifiers depending on the season and climate. Use curtains, blinds or shades to block out any external light sources that may disturb your sleep. You may also want to use earplugs or a white noise machine to mask any external noises that may bother you. Invest in a good mattress, pillow, sheets and blankets that support your posture and comfort level. Tip 5. Avoid napping too much or too late in the day. Napping can be beneficial for some people who need a short boost of energy or alertness during the day. However, napping too much or too late in the day can interfere with your nighttime sleep by reducing your sleep pressure and disrupting your circadian rhythm. If you do nap, limit it to 20 minutes or less and avoid napping after 3 p.m. If you have trouble sleeping at night, try to avoid napping altogether and stick to a regular sleep schedule. Tip 6. Exercise regularly but not too close to bedtime. Exercise is great for your physical and mental health and can also improve your sleep quality and duration by reducing stress, improving mood, regulating blood sugar levels and promoting blood circulation. However, exercising too close to bedtime can have the opposite effect by increasing your body temperature, heart rate and adrenaline levels, which can make it harder for you to fall asleep and stay asleep. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week and try to finish your workout at least 3 hours before bed. Tip 7. Eat well but not too much or too little before bed. What you eat and when you eat can also affect your sleep quality and quantity by influencing your digestion, hormone levels and blood sugar levels. Try to eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein and healthy fats. Avoid eating too much or too little before bed, as this can cause indigestion, heartburn, hunger or cravings that can keep you awake or wake you up during the night. Avoid eating spicy, fatty, sugary or acidic foods that can irritate your stomach or cause fluctuations in your blood sugar levels. If you do need a snack before bed, opt for something light and easy to digest, such as a banana, a handful of nuts, a glass of milk or a cup of herbal tea. Tip 8. Limit your fluid intake before bed. Drinking enough water throughout the day is important for your health and hydration, but drinking too much before bed can disrupt your sleep by making you need to use the bathroom more often during the night. This can interrupt your sleep cycle and make you feel groggy and tired in the morning. Try to limit your fluid intake in the evening and avoid drinking anything at least an hour before bed. If you do get thirsty, sip on some water or herbal tea and avoid drinks that contain caffeine, alcohol or sugar. Tip 9. Manage your stress and emotions. Stress and emotions can have a significant impact on your sleep quality and quantity by affecting your mood, thoughts and behaviors. Stress can cause you to feel anxious, restless, irritable or overwhelmed, which can make it hard for you to relax and fall asleep. Emotions such as anger, sadness, fear or excitement can also keep you awake or cause you to have nightmares or vivid dreams. To manage your stress and emotions, try to identify and address the sources of your stress and find healthy ways to cope with them. You can also practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, guided imagery or mindfulness meditation. You can also talk to someone you trust, such as a friend, family member, therapist or counselor, about your feelings and concerns. Tip 10. Seek professional help if necessary. If you have tried all the tips above and still have trouble sleeping on a regular basis, you may have a sleep disorder or an underlying medical condition that is affecting your sleep. Some common sleep disorders include insomnia, sleep apnea, restless legs syndrome, narcolepsy, and circadian rhythm disorders. Some common medical conditions that can affect your sleep include chronic pain, depression, anxiety, diabetes, thyroid problems, and menopause. If you suspect that you have a sleep disorder or a medical condition that is interfering with your sleep, consult your doctor for diagnosis and treatment. Your doctor may prescribe medication, therapy, or other interventions to help you improve your sleep quality and quantity. So those are my 10 tips for unlocking better sleep and having more restful nights. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below what are some of your tips for sleeping better. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Sweet dreams.